Ever wondered how you can turn your love for flying drones into a profitable career? Imagine transforming your hobby into a source of income while enjoying stunning aerial views. From capturing breathtaking real estate photos to creating mesmerizing music videos, the opportunities are vast and exciting. In this video, we'll explore 10 diverse and lucrative ways to make money as a drone pilot. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, these methods will show you how to soar high in the drone industry. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Aerial real estate photography. Aerial real estate photography is one of the most popular ways to make money with a drone. By using your drone to capture stunning photos and videos of properties from the air, you can provide real estate agents with high-quality imagery that helps sell homes. High-end property agents particularly rely on aerial shots to showcase the expansive views and unique angles of luxury properties. To get started, you'll need a drone equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of capturing sharp images and smooth videos. It's also essential to have the proper licensing and permits required for commercial drone operations in your area. The earnings from aerial real estate photography can vary based on location, property type, and demand for services. Typically, you can charge between $200 to $500 per shoot, averaging around $100 to $250 per hour. Number 2. Business projects. Businesses are increasingly seeking aerial footage to enhance their marketing efforts. This could involve capturing aerial shots of a construction site, a company's headquarters, or showcasing a new product from a unique perspective. Eye-catching drone footage can significantly boost a company's marketing strategy, making it more engaging and appealing to potential customers. To get started, identify potential clients and market your services to them, emphasizing the benefits of drone photography. Networking with local businesses and advertising online can help you find new clients. Depending on the complexity and scope of the job, you could charge anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per project. Building a portfolio of high-quality work will establish you as a reliable and professional drone operator. Number 3. Land surveying. Drone technology has revolutionized land surveying, making it faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. As a drone operator, you can capture high-quality images and data for land surveying projects. To get started, you'll need a drone equipped with the necessary sensors and software to capture accurate data. Drones with LiDAR technology are particularly useful for topographic mapping. Additionally, a solid understanding of land surveying principles and techniques is crucial. Although land surveying jobs are less common than real estate drone jobs, they tend to pay more per project. You can expect to earn between $500 to $2,000 per property surveying project. Number 4. Drone education courses. If you're a skilled drone operator with a passion for teaching, offering drone education courses could be a great way to make money. Many people are interested in learning how to operate a drone, but don't know where to start. By offering courses, you can help others learn the basics of drone operation, acquire certification, and even land drone operator jobs. The beauty of selling drone courses is that you only record your classes once and continue to make money with each sale. Platforms like Teachable make it easy to record, structure, and market your course. Depending on the length and content of the course, you could charge anywhere between $50 to $500 per course. Number 5. Stock photography. Stock photography is another excellent way to make money with your drone. By capturing high-quality images and videos, you can sell them to stock photography websites for use in various applications, including advertising, marketing, and web design. To get started, have a solid understanding of the types of images and videos that are in demand. Producing high-quality images at volume is key to making money with stock photography. Earnings can vary from a few dollars to hundreds of dollars per image, depending on the platform you use and the licensing terms you offer. Unsplash, Adobe Stock, and Shutterstock are great platforms to start with. Number 6. Image licensing. Image licensing is similar to selling stock photos, but focuses on selling your media directly to businesses and news agencies. For example, if you have amazing drone footage of a local storm, you could sell the licensing to a local news outlet for a few $100s. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube also offer opportunities for drone operators to earn money through image licensing. Instagram's Brands Collabs Manager program and YouTube's monetization options for videos can provide additional revenue streams. Drone-specific marketplaces like Airviews and ZiteView connect drone operators with clients looking for aerial footage, typically offering a fixed fee per project based on complexity and scope. Number 7. Stock cinematic video. In addition to stock photography, there is a growing demand for stock cinematic videos captured by drones. These videos, often used in television shows, movies, commercials, and YouTube, add a unique and stunning aerial perspective. To get started, invest in high-quality equipment, including a drone with a high-resolution camera and the capability to capture high-quality video footage. Develop a portfolio of high-quality videos showcasing your skills as a drone operator and filmmaker. Earnings from stock cinematic videos can be substantial, with platforms like Shutterstock and Pond5 offering revenue-sharing models, where you earn a percentage of the licensing fees for each video sold. Number 8. Building inspection. Offering building inspection services with your drone can be a highly profitable venture. Factories, bridges, skyscrapers, and homes all require different levels of inspections, and drones can provide a safe and efficient way to perform these tasks. To offer these services, you'll need to be a certified drone operator and understand what to look for during inspections and how to create a detailed inspection report. Depending on the complexity of the inspection, you can charge up to $500 per hour for your services. Number 9. Music videos. Another exciting way to make money with a drone is by offering your services to filmmakers and musicians, creating stunning music videos. Aerial footage can add a unique and captivating perspective to music videos, enhancing the overall production value and appeal. If you have a passion for drones and music, this is an excellent opportunity. You can offer your services directly to independent musicians and filmmakers, or connect with production companies specializing in music video production. The earnings potential in this field is vast, with different channels to consider for monetizing your services. Number 10. 3D mapping and modeling. 3D mapping and modeling is a highly specialized field that uses drones equipped with LiDAR sensors and software to capture detailed images and data, creating 3D models of real-world environments. Industries such as mining, energy, and urban planning use this technology for project planning. To get started, you'll need a drone equipped with the necessary LiDAR sensors and software. A solid understanding of 3D modeling principles and techniques is also essential. While this field requires expertise and experience, the potential earnings are significant, as clients are willing to pay premium prices for accurate and detailed 3D models. The potential to make money as a drone pilot is vast and varied. From real estate photography and business projects to education courses and 3D mapping, there are numerous ways to turn your drone flying skills into a profitable business. By investing in the right equipment, obtaining necessary certifications, and marketing your services effectively, you can tap into these lucrative opportunities and build a successful career as a drone pilot. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.